Welcome to our fascinating journey into the world of plants that defy nature. Today, we'll explore 10 extraordinary plants that challenge our understanding of the natural world. From the bogs of North Carolina to the arid deserts of Namibia, we'll encounter plants that have developed astonishing adaptations to thrive in some of the most inhospitable environments on Earth. These botanical marvels remind us of the sheer diversity of life and the power of nature to constantly surprise and amaze us. So let us begin our exploration. In the wetlands of North Carolina, a plant lies in wait, its leaves transformed into ingenious traps. This is the Venus flytrap, a carnivorous marvel that turns the tables on the animal kingdom. The Venus flytrap's leaves are edged with delicate, hair-like triggers. When an unsuspecting insect, lured by the plant's sweet nectar, brushes against these triggers, the trap snaps shut with lightning speed. The insect, now imprisoned within the interlocking teeth of the trap, becomes the flytrap's next meal. Digestive enzymes break down the insect's body, providing the plant with essential nutrients lacking in its boggy home. But the Venus flytrap is a discerning hunter. A single touch is not enough to spring the trap. 2 touches within 20 seconds, however, signal the presence of a genuine meal, preventing the trap from closing on raindrops or debris. This remarkable adaptation showcases the ingenuity of nature, demonstrating how even in the harshest environments, life finds a way to flourish. Deep within the rainforests of Southeast Asia, a parasitic giant emerges from the forest floor. The Rafflesia arnoldi, the largest flower on Earth. Lacking leaves, stems and roots, the Rafflesia arnoldi lives a clandestine life, drawing sustenance from the tetrastigma vine, its unsuspecting host. Only when it's time to reproduce does the Rafflesia arnoldi reveal itself, pushing forth a massive fleshy bloom that can reach over 3 feet in diameter. The flower's putrid stench, reminiscent of rotting flesh, attracts carrion flies, its primary pollinators. Drawn to the deceptive scent, the flies unwittingly carry pollen from one Rafflesia flower to another, ensuring the continuation of this botanical giant. The Rafflesia arnoldi, a testament to the diversity of life on Earth, reminds us that even in the most unexpected of places, nature's wonders abound. In the desolate expanse of the Namib Desert, where rainfall is a rare and precious event, we encounter a true botanical marvel, the Welwitschia mirabilis. This extraordinary plant, with its ancient lineage dating back millions of years, has developed remarkable adaptations to thrive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. The Welwitschia mirabilis possesses only 2 leaves, which grow continuously throughout the plant's lifetime, often exceeding 1,000 years. These leaves, splayed out across the desert floor, act as giant condensers, capturing moisture from fog that rolls in from the Atlantic Ocean. With its tenacious grip on life, the Welwitschia mirabilis stands as a symbol of resilience, reminding us of the enduring power of nature. In the arid regions of southern Africa, a group of plants has perfected the art of camouflage. These are the lithops, also known as living stones, masters of disguise that blend seamlessly into their rocky surroundings. Resembling small, colorful pebbles, lithops have evolved to survive in harsh desert conditions where predators and scorching sun pose constant threats. Their unique appearance is a result of their leaves, which have been reduced to 2 fleshy lobes that store water and act as windows, allowing sunlight to reach the plant's photosynthetic tissues. During periods of drought, lithops can retract below the soil surface, leaving only their camouflaged tops exposed, further reducing water loss and evading hungry herbivores. The lithops' remarkable ability to mimic their environment is a testament to the power of natural selection, showcasing the extraordinary lengths to which life will go to survive. Deep within the rainforests of Sumatra, a botanical giant awakens, unleashing a pungent aroma that can only be described as the smell of death. This is the Amorphophallus titanum, more commonly known as the corpse flower, a plant that attracts pollinators with an olfactory assault. The corpse flower's inflorescence, or cluster of flowers, can reach over 10 feet in height, making it one of the largest unbranched inflorescences in the world. But it's the flower's odor, a putrid concoction of sulfur compounds, that truly sets it apart. This foul stench, designed to mimic the smell of rotting flesh, attracts carrion beetles and flesh flies, the flower's primary pollinators. Scientists believe that the corpse flower's potent aroma, combined with its thermogenic properties, which raise the temperature of the inflorescence, helps to disperse its scent over a wider area, attracting pollinators from afar. The corpse flower, with its macabre beauty and olfactory assault, is a reminder that nature often employs unusual strategies to ensure the continuation of life. On the island of Socotra, off the coast of Yemen, a strange and ancient tree stands sentinel, its umbrella-like canopy a familiar sight against the arid landscape. This is the Dracaena cinnamomum, more commonly known as the dragon's blood tree. A plant steeped in myth and legend, the tree derives its name from its crimson sap, known as dragon's blood, prized for centuries for its medicinal and dye properties. Legend says the sap came from a dragon slain by an elephant. The tree holds a special place in Socotra's folklore and traditions. Today, it faces threats from habitat loss and overharvesting. Efforts are underway to conserve this iconic species, ensuring it continues to grace Socotra for generations to come. In the tropical regions of South and Central America, a plant with a remarkable ability to sense and respond to touch thrives in the understory. This is Mimosa pudica, more commonly known as the sensitive plant, a botanical marvel that appears to shrink away at the slightest touch. The sensitive plant's leaves are composed of numerous small leaflets arranged in pairs along a central stalk. When touched, these leaflets fold inwards rapidly, giving the plant the appearance of wilting or collapsing. This rapid movement, known as thigmonesty, is thought to be a defense mechanism, startling potential herbivores and making the plant appear less appealing as a food source. Within minutes of being touched, the sensitive plant's leaves will begin to reopen, returning to their original position. The sensitive plant's remarkable ability to sense and respond to touch has fascinated botanists and nature enthusiasts for centuries, showcasing the intricate and often surprising ways in which plants interact with their environment. In the nutrient-poor bogs and swamps of Southeast Asia, a group of carnivorous plants has evolved a cunning strategy. These are the pitcher plants, masters of deception. Their leaves form deep fluid-filled traps resembling pitchers. These traps attract insects with the promise of nectar. The inner walls are slippery, making escape impossible. Digestive enzymes break down the trapped insects. The pitcher plant's ingenious traps help it thrive in challenging environments. In the arid savannas of Africa, a botanical giant stands as a symbol of life and resilience. This is the Adansonia digitata, more commonly known as the baobab tree, often referred to as the tree of life. Baobabs store thousands of gallons of water, enabling survival in arid environments. They provide food, shelter, and water for a wide range of animals. The baobab's fruit, known as monkey bread, is rich in nutrients. Baobabs hold cultural and spiritual significance for many African communities. They are used as gathering places, places of worship, and burial sites. The baobab tree is a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. Deep within the swamps and forests of Florida and Cuba, a rare and elusive orchid captivates with its ethereal beauty. This is the Dendrophylax lindeni, more commonly known as the ghost orchid, a plant so elusive that it's often referred to as the holy grail of orchids. The ghost orchid is a leafless epiphyte, meaning that it grows on other plants, deriving moisture and nutrients from the air and rain. Its roots, which are covered in specialized cells called velamen, are highly efficient at absorbing water and nutrients. The ghost orchid's flowers are equally extraordinary. Their white, almost translucent petals, combined with their long flowing sepals, give the flowers a spectral appearance, as if they were floating in mid-air. The ghost orchid's rarity is due in part to its highly specialized pollination requirements. It relies on a single species of moth, the giant sphinx moth, for pollination. The ghost orchid, with its haunting beauty and elusive nature, is a reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of conserving Earth's biodiversity. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of plants that defy nature. From the carnivorous Venus flytrap to the towering baobab tree, We've encountered plants that have evolved astonishing adaptations to thrive in some of the most challenging environments on Earth. These botanical marvels remind us of the sheer diversity of life and the power of nature to constantly surprise and amaze us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.